Hello students, you are welcome in mathematics part 8. We are doing chapter sets. Today we want to discuss complement of a set. Now to understand this, you can consider U universal set which consists of all natural numbers and a subset A which consists of all natural odd numbers. Now you write U in set builder form and set A consists of odd natural numbers. Now try to find out elements which doesn't belongs to set A but belongs to set U. It means we have to find out all elements of U except the elements of A. Or in other words, we want to find out U minus A. We have done the difference of elements, so U minus A. Now that is called the complement of a set. Now what is definition? It is if U is a universal set and A is a subset of U, then complement of A is a set of all elements of U which doesn't belongs to A but belongs to U. All elements of U which doesn't belongs to A. It is denoted by the symbol A and dash in the power, so it is pronounced as complement of A. And it is written in the symbols as complement of A. It is A dash, but it is pronounced as complement of A. Now using definition, complement of A is a set of all X where X is an element of U universal set and X does not belongs to A. So this can be written in other way as U minus A. This is called complement of A. To understand this, you consider an example. Let U is a set of elements 1, 2, 3 up to 10. It means first 10 natural numbers. Now let A is a set of elements containing 2, 3, 5 and 7. Now we want to write down complement of A. It means this time you will write down U minus A. You can understand in this way, or write down all elements of U except the elements of A. It means write down the remaining elements except these elements. So 1 it is not present in A. Now 2 is present, so except 2. Then write down the remaining elements in this way. So the elements are 1, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. So this set is complement of A. You consider another example. Let U is a set of all X where X is a letter of English alphabet. Now let A is a subset of U. Set is set of all Y where Y is a vowel of English alphabet. Now can you write what is A complement? A complement, it means we have to write down the all elements of U which are not present in A. It means write down all alphabets except vowels. So it means we have to write down all consonants because we know that English alphabets are combination of vowels and consonants. So complement of A is a set of all X where X is a consonant of English alphabet. I hope it is clear to you. Now we have some properties of complement of sets. Now the first complement laws, it is the first law is if you find A union A complement, A union A complement, it is always universal set. Second, if A intersection A complement, so that is equal to phi. So they don't have any element common, so that is an empty set. So it is phi. Second, De Morgan's law. The first De Morgan's law is A union B complement. It is equal to A complement intersection B complement. It means for any example, AB is a subset of U, then if you perform left hand side and right hand side, both will be equal. So this is first De Morgan's law. Then the second De Morgan's law, A intersection B complement, whole complement, will be equal to A complement union B complement. Now the third, law of double complement. It means you write the complement of a complement of set. So A complement and again complement, that is equal to original set A. And the law of empty set and universal set. Now what is complement of phi? That is universal set. complement of universal set, that is phi. These are empty, so these are properties. I hope this complement is clear to you. Now you try to solve these questions. Thank you.